When it comes to serious blending power, the Smoothie Blender 1800W stands in a league of its own. With a robust motor pushing 1800 watts of strength and spinning up to 25,000 RPM, it's built for performance. Ice, frozen fruit, seeds, even tough nuts get pulverized in seconds. This isn't just for smoothies, it's for creamy soups, velvety sauces, and frozen drinks that taste like they came straight from a cafe. Whether it's breakfast prep, post-workout blends, or entertaining guests, this blender delivers speed, strength, and smooth consistency every time. And the high-performance motor doesn't overheat easily, which means longer blending sessions without worry. What truly makes it kitchen-friendly is the large 70-ounce BPA-free container. It's spacious enough to handle big recipes for the whole family in one go. Perfect for batch cooking, group meals, or party drinks, this container saves time while feeding more mouths. The BPA-free construction offers peace of mind, no harsh chemicals, no unwanted flavors, just safe, healthy blending. You can toss in fruits, vegetables, ice, or liquids with full confidence. It's ideal for everything from green detox drinks to creamy nut milks. And because it's food-grade plastic, it's lightweight yet sturdy, easy to handle, clean, and store. Now let's talk about blending precision. This unit features 6 high-grade stainless steel blades, engineered to slice and crush with maximum efficiency. Unlike traditional blenders with fewer blades, this 6-blade system ensures nothing gets left behind. The design is all about performance, sharp angles, strong rotation, and balanced blending. Whether you're making salsa, crushing protein shakes, or pureeing vegetables for baby food, the results are consistent. No chunks, no uneven textures, just a smooth, uniform finish. And because the blades are stainless steel, they resist rust and stay sharp for years, making this blender a long-term investment in your kitchen. Of course, power and performance mean little without good design, and this blender delivers. Finished in a classic red color, it brings vibrant energy and a modern feel to any kitchen setup. It's bold, stylish, and built with durability in mind. The base is sturdy and stable during operation, so it doesn't dance around the counter. Meanwhile, the ergonomic handle ensures a firm grip during pouring, and the control panel is intuitive. No guesswork, just simple, smooth functionality. Users can easily toggle between blending tasks, adjusting speeds as needed. From smoothies to soups, sauces to sorbets, this all-in-one appliance meets a wide range of culinary needs. For those who value both form and function, it's a standout choice that combines aesthetics with top-tier performance.